Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark theme on your Google Play Store app. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store apps, and in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. Click on it, and in here you just click on the setting, this one, and then click general, and then now you just click on the theme, this one. Click on it, and in here you just click on the dark, this one, and back and go back and finish. So that's how to turn on dark theme on Google Play Store apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.